There are over 200 million cases of shoplifting and an estimated amount of 100 million ringgit is lost daily. Hence, my solution is Eagle Eye. Through face recognition, basic identities of a person, for instance gender and age, will be shown on connected screens. RFID is used where items with customers will be automatically charged to their e-wallets, making shoplifting almost impossible. Suspicious rate can be identified by detecting a person's body movements such as eyeballs and facial expressions. When a person's suspicious rate reaches 80% and above, the system will automatically alert the shop worker to monitor the suspect. I have a vision to be a women innovation icon in the digital revolution, striving to reduce social issues through the introduction of AI technology as a norm in our community.